Hola, bienvenido. If you are new here, this is Once Upon a Latin Girl, and my name is Ana. Welcome. Today I prepared something very useful for you. You know each language has their own way to call some things? There are many words in English that doesn't have an accurate translation in Spanish. Well, it goes both ways. If you are curious, stay there. I'm going to show you some of these words. A friend called me this morning to tell me I had missed a party. I thought it was tomorrow. Anyway, he said it was the day before yesterday. Anteayer. The day before yesterday. La fiesta fue anteayer. 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 The day before yesterday. Last night, my dad was worried about something, and he went to bed around 9, but he woke up again at midnight, and he couldn't fall asleep until 3 a.m. Mi papá se desveló anoche. Mi papá se desveló anoche. Desvelado. One is sleepy as a result of having stayed up the whole night. Desvelado. 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 I have a friend who is a girl, and she has a friend who is a boy, but it's not her boyfriend, it's just a friend. And she has a boyfriend, and he is a bit jealous of her friend. You understand? To summarize, he is jealous of her friend, and she's trying to explain to him that she loves her friend, but as a friend, and she loves him as a boyfriend. How will you do it? I can tell you in Spanish how it works. In Spanish, this is easy to explain. Te quiero is like I love you, but not in a romantic way. It's not profound. You can use te quiero with your cousins or your friends or your siblings or anybody in your family, and you use te amo with your boyfriend or your husband or your girlfriend or your wife. Te amo is a profound feeling. You don't say te amo to everybody. You can say te amo to your mom or your dad because your feelings for them are strong, but you don't say te amo to a friend because it could be misunderstood. I know, something important. Te quiero is not a word. There are two words. But the verb is querer. Querer means to want, but also to love, but not in a profound way. Remember that. So, te quiero. I love you, but not in a profound way. So my friend told her boyfriend, tú eres mi novio y te amo. Zach es mi amigo y lo quiero. Got it? Te quiero. I love you, but not in a romantic way, not in a profound way. Te quiero. How was it? Are you ready for a quiz? Let's see. There was an accident on Burke Street. It happened the day before yesterday. When did the accident take place? A. Ayer. B. Hoy. C. Anteayer. Yes, correct. The day before yesterday. Anteayer. El accidente en Burke Street ocurrió anteayer. If you say te quiero to your boyfriend, you are A. jumping from an airplane. B. Ready to get married. C. Beginning the relationship. Yes, you're right. C is correct. Beginning the relationship. If I wake up in the middle of the night and I can't go back to sleep, I am A. Desvelada. B. Hambrienta. C. Borracha. Yes, the correct answer is A. Desvelado. Desvelado. One is sleepy as a result of having stayed up all night. Desvelado. How was it? Can you use these words in a sentence? Next time, we are gonna learn more interesting words. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And if you haven't, please subscribe to my channel, Once Upon a Latin Girl. Nos vemos la próxima semana. Chao. Te quiero. Te quiero. And don't jump from an airplane.